Jai Srimannarayana. 100th Namam from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Sarvadaye Namaha. O Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the source of all attainable fruits. Not only the fruits belongs to this world, but also it includes moksham which can be given only by you. No other devatas can grant moksham to us. O Srimannarayana, you can give any fruit, unlimited fruit, including moksham. O Srimannarayana, bless me with all the fruits belonging to this world and also moksham. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to you. Om Sarvadaye Namaha. Om Sarvadaye Namaha. Realizing that the very source of all the fruits, realizing that the very source of unlimited fruits, realizing that the source of moksham is right there within our own heart. With that kind of realization and visualization, let us now sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Ramayanam, Dasaratha Maharaju thought of making his eldest son Rama as the prince, as the king of Ayodhya. He decided to do that. He called on all his ministers and told him about what he is thinking of doing. And also Dasaratha Maharaju telling all the ministers that, "Oh my dear ministers, I have been noticing so many bad omens. I have been getting so many bad indications. Can you please make it as fast as possible to make Ramachandra as the king of this entire kingdom?" Like that, Dasaratha Maharaju told his ministers and immediately sent messages to all the kings and the leaders around the country. Nana Nagara Vastavyan Pradhanan Prudhivipatin. He called on so many leaders and kings. But Dasaratha Maharaju did not send a message to Janaka and the Kekaya, the king, who is the uncle of Bharata, because they are far from Ayodhya. Dasaratha Maharaju did not want to wait that long to make Rama as the king of Ayodhya. So as soon as he sent messages, all the kings and all the leaders came down to Ayodhya. Dasaratha Maharaju arranged an assembly with all of them. Now Dasaratha Maharaju is addressing the assembly, saying like this: "Oh my dear people, oh my dear leaders, oh my dear kings, I am getting older. I have been living on this earth for last 60,000 years. Now, in this old age, I do not want to be taking care of such a huge responsibility of taking care of this kingdom. I would like to retire. So before I retire, I would like to give this responsibility to a very befitting person. I do see my eldest son Rama as the most befitting person to this position because he has so many good qualities. That is what is my opinion. If you all accept my opinion, my decision, if you all say let us go ahead, then we will make Rama as the king of this Ayodhya. Otherwise, if you have any other better idea, please present your ideas. I would like to get every one of your opinion and every one of your ideas, because ideas of those who are impartial is very important for this kingdom. That will be the most fruitful decision for the kingdom. That is why I may be partial towards my son. That is why I am seeking opinions and ideas from you all. Please present your opinions. Please present your ideas. Dasaratha Maharaju addressed the assembly like this. Then all those who are present in that assembly are addressing and responding back to Dasaratha Maharaju at once like this. What is their response? We will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us now sing the glory of Sita Rama. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama. 11th sloka. Ajaha Sarveswaraha Siddhaha Siddhihi Sarvadihi Achyutaha Vrushakapihi Ameyatma Sarvayoga Vinisrutaha Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Sarvadaye Namaha. Om Sarvadaye Namaha. Om Sarvadaye Namaha.